Now, a section of Mount Kenya leaders now want Supreme Court judges blocked from traveling out of the country. Addressing the media this morning, the leaders insisted that the Supreme Court judges made a constitutional coup against the people's will by nullifying the presidential election.
To swear in President Uhuru Kenyatta on 22nd November 2017, which is the immediate Tuesday after the 7 days provided for the IEBC chair to declare the results and 14 days provided for the preparations of the ceremony by the assumption of the office of the President Committee. This time round, and I repeat, this time round, we shall not allow anyone to subvert the will of the majority of Kenyans. The fact that we are silent, the silent majority does not imply that we are cowards. In other words, our silence should not be interpreted to mean that we are cowards. We are calling upon our immigration authorities to immediately withdraw all travel documents of the Supreme Court judges, that is the judiciary, and the chief registrar, IEBC commissioners, IEBC CEO, and all other senior staff of these two institutions. We are reliably informed that the very same engineers of the judicial coup who are within the IEBC and the judiciary are now planning to run away from the country. Otherwise, why have several of them been in a hurry to convert up to Kenya shilling 100 million into US dollar since the judgment was delivered on Wednesday? The chief registrar will administer the path, the oath, and the chief justice will be there to witness as the Constitution provides. So we need them in Kenya.
All right, and our Trix Ngado covered that for us earlier on in the day. She now joins us live from our City Center studios with an update. Trix, some very grave allegations being made there from members Supreme Court from the Supreme Court judge bench.
Yeah, that's right. Really interesting stuff coming from what they call, they're calling themselves the Mount Kenya Shapers. So what they want is that they first started off by declaring that they are ready to swear in the current President Uhuru Kenyatta come the 22nd of November. That is within the 14 days that are given for the preparation for the inauguration and, of course, for the IBC to declare the winner. They also came out to call for the reinstatement of the IBC ICT bosses who are taken out, who are sent home, saying that they are being tribally profiled, saying that they are being picked on because of their ethnicity, and therefore they want these people put back to their rightful jobs immediately. And aside from that, they have come out to say that they want, like we heard, the judiciary, top judiciary officials and IBC officials to have their travel documents taken away from them, because they say that there is a plot for them to leave the country before, you know, swearing in the president who will be elected in the upcoming 26th election. So that is another interesting bit that came out of that presser, and they say that they are not happy with the Raila Odinga, and that they have blamed him for what they term as political tension and a mass exodus because Kenyans are afraid of what may be the outcome of that election, possibly violence. So they have made a call also to the NCIC saying that this commission is to come out and bring Raila Odinga to book. They made the call to Ole Kaparo to come out and handle investigations and bring Raila Odinga to account for whatever he has done. They say he's the cause of the tension in the country, but obviously we know that they are politically aligned to one side, so naturally the sentiments would be directed in that or of a certain nature. So that's what came out from what they call the Mount Kenya Shapers. They were led by their chairman, Ngugi IG. That's all. He's just known as Ngugi IG, apparently.
All right, Trix Ngado, thank you for that update. Joins us live there from our City Center studios. Let's quickly